have a credit card, and I owed $888 on it, and I don't know if I should file bankruptcy or not on it, and I don't know how much the debt has to be. But what happened is they took me to court, and they got a judgment against what I owed, and that's fine. And they didn't. They put a lien against all property, and then our bank account come up missing straight $400 and some, and it was a garnishment against my bank account. Now my husband is no longer, he wasn't on the credit card. I'm on Social Security disability, and they
Well, let me try and answer that. They're not allowed to garnish your Social Security money, but if you have a joint bank account with your husband and he has other income, then it's trying to undo that is murky. Mm-hmm. Without knowing the rest of your situation, if that's your only debt, I mean, you're going to pay more for a bankruptcy than you would the debt you're getting rid of. I would try and go to the court clerk, and you can set up a payment plan, and most judges in small courts will give you a chance to go before the judge and say, hey, I'm on Social Security, I can pay $50 a month or $100 a month, and get on a payment plan so they're not dinging your bank account. Certainly it'd be worth consulting an attorney, but hiring an attorney for an $800 debt is probably not in your best economic interest. Most court clerks will be helpful to you if you just go there and tell them your situation and just let them get you before the judge.
Oh, well, that's good.
When you're talking about that, she has an $888 credit card bill that is now a judgment lien against her property and all that stuff. When you see people come in, I mean, what level of debt do you need to have or you don't need to have to go into bankruptcy?
Well, I mean, there's no bright line test. I mean, it depends on your situation. I mean, your ability to repay it, what you're looking at, but certainly if my fees are more than the debt itself, then that makes no sense to file bankruptcy, put that on your credit when you have other options. But I could tell you the least amount of debt I filed before. It just depends on your circumstances.